In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your PlayStation Network account to a PlayStation Studios game on Steam, step by step. This is a quick setup that can help you sync your accounts, unlock online features, and make sure everything is connected properly before you jump into the game. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, launch a PlayStation Studios game on Steam, like Helldivers 2, God of War, or Ghost of Tsushima. Once the game starts, you'll usually see a startup screen with either a QR code or a web link on it. This is the easiest way to begin the account linking process. If you see a QR code, you can scan it with your phone, or if you see a URL, you can simply type that address into your browser on your computer or mobile device. After that, you'll be taken to a PlayStation sign-in page. Here, enter your PSN credentials in your web browser and sign into your PlayStation Network account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have more than one PSN profile. Once you're signed in, you should see a confirmation prompt asking you to link your account. Go ahead and confirm the link so the game can automatically sync your Steam and PSN accounts. After you approve it, the connection should complete and your accounts will be linked. If you missed the prompt during startup, don't worry. You can usually find the same option inside the game by opening the settings menu. Look for a section labeled Account Link PSN or something similar in the in-game options menu. From there, you can follow the same sign-in and confirmation process to finish linking everything up. Once that's done, you should be ready to play with your accounts connected and synced properly, and that's it. You've now linked your PSN account to a PlayStation Studios game on Steam in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.